All right, guys. Obviously, you can tell it's a little dark out. It's not that late, though. Radiator's in. Showed that the water pump's in already. Thermostat's in. I'm going to start hooking up hoses here in a little bit. I'm going to take that pulley off and hit it up, spruce it up a little bit. The AC compressor's not that old, so I'm not going to mess with that. Power steering pump, rack and pinion, that's next. Getting rebuilt. Not going to mess with the alternator, really. Or the smog pump. Anyways, to show some crank pulley's getting a little spruced up. I hit up some of the bolts, brackets for the upper radiator support to hold it in place. Bushings are back over in my little table over there. I'm gonna clean that guy up too. Yeah, it's getting along. I'm not gonna finish it up tonight, which is not a bad thing because, like I said, I haven't touched the heater core. So probably Monday afternoon, get off a little early and finish this bad boy up. But I'm trying to finish up as much as possible. All right, guys. Well, that's your quick update. And I'll probably get one more for the night. Talk to you guys later. Coming along. New water pump. Painted the pulley. About to paint that pulley right there. The idler pulley. There we go. Painted the thermostat housing because it was ugly as fuck. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm not gonna finish it up tonight. I mean, everything in the engine bay would pretty much be done. But been taking things apart and fucking painting shit, making it look good. Whee! Yep. Later. It's getting there. I painted that, make it look better. Painted the pulleys, make it look better. But it's getting there.